Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads tutorial. So you want to be GDPR compliant. If you want to do this, you need to fill your data protection conducts. How can you do this? I'm going to tell you in 1 second. Before we go straight to the point, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content. So off we go. We want to be GDPR compliant. We're going to go to admin from the left hand side. Under account settings, there is going to be this option that says data protection conducts. We're going to open it. If this is the first time you come here, you're going to see these forms. There is a primary conduct, there is a data protection officer, and there is an EU representative. A couple of things. Primary conduct, data protection officer, and EU representative can be the same person. Second thing, you do not need an EU address or phone number to fill in these conducts. You can use any phone number and any address anywhere you are. You are in India, you are in Pakistan, you are in Indonesia, you are in Singapore, you are in USA. You can use your phone number, your address here, no problem, and you can fill in the forms. The primary conduct, the data protection officer, and the EU representative can be the same person. To simplify everything, it makes sense for the business owner or the person who owns the business or a representative of the company who owns the business to fill in the details and be the primary contact, the data protection officer, or the EU representative. In certain cases, if let's say you are an agency, maybe you can appoint someone from your agency to be the primary contact, the data protection officer, and the EU representative. Now, a couple of questions. Our business is not in the EU and we are not targeting the European Union. Do we still need to come here and update this contact information? The answer is no. You are not obliged and you're not going to be forced to fill in this information if your business is outside of the EU and you are not targeting the European Union. If your business is outside of the EU and you are targeting some countries in the European Union, including the UK, it is advisable to be compliant with this law to come here and fill in this information. If your business is within the European Union and you are targeting the European Union, then again it is advisable to be GDPR compliant, to come here and fill in this information. Another burning question: what is the benefit of filling in this information? I'm sorry to tell you guys, there is no benefit. There is absolutely zero benefit and nothing is going to change in your Google Ads life and account management when you fill in this information. It is just bureaucracy. It is one law that is passed in the EU specifically and requires you to have someone who is going to be appointed as a data protection officer and an EU representative in case there is a data breach, in case, I don't know, they want to investigate or whatever the purpose is of this law. That's it. Again, if you operate in the EU or you are targeting the EU, it is advisable to have a primary contact, data protection officer, and EU representative just to be compliant. That's all. If you are not in the EU, my advice is don't bother if you don't target European markets unless they make this mandatory, because nothing is going to change in your life. The only exception is for some strange reason, if you want to be super compliant with every law globally, then you might as well come here and fill in this information. That's all. I hope it was useful. If it was, drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Thank you, everyone.